I'm one of the sponsors of Red Cubs. So I started sponsoring bago pa nila mabukas yung page. So, una financial muna, ganyan. And then eventually kasi they took in the pets. And at that time, they didn't have a shelter. So I offered my home. It started with 1 and then it became 2. And then mamaya ang dami nang naiwan sa akin. So, alam ko na they're already having a hard time. So instead of forcing them or like rushing them to have them adopted out, I just took them in. So now, they're under my care. Sila yung mga first ever rescues na Red Cubs since I think 2020 yung iba dyan. So they're with me now. Di na ako humihingi ng any donation for them. So I'm sponsoring them na for life this time. So if you wanna meet them, sama kayo sa akin. Here are our rescues. So if you remember the story, this is Bones. Siya yung naputulan ng dalawang paa. So, I think nasagasaan siya. So, ito na siya ngayon, very chubby. I think yung surgery niya umabot ng parang 50K. So, I sponsored half. Buti na lang tumulong yung mga followers. Kasi medyo mabigat siya eh. So, at that time, I was working lang for the government. So, I didn't really have that much money. So, ayun. Okay na siya. And then, we have Scotty. Also, one of the older cats namin. I think Scotty is around 12 years old. Wala na siyang teeth. 0 teeth na kami. Yan. So, here's Scotty. Actually, yung iba kasi from Saudi. There we have the Saudi cats. Yun. Yung mga cats from Saudi kasi, pinapadala lang sila sa amin. Like, sinusundo namin sila sa airport. Tapos, yun na. Sila na yung nag-aasikaso ng papeles. So, dapat kasi dyan, the initial plan was ipapa-adapt namin sila afterwards. Kaso, after the blood works, blood tests, lahat sila problematic. So, ayun. So, hindi ko sila mapa-adapt na tumagal na sila sa akin because I had to, yung tuloy-tuloy na blood test because mayroon kidney issues, yung pancreatitis, ang daming problems. So, ito tayo, next.